was raining, but now it's not, which I take as a good sign. And I can hear a lot of flowing water, which is really cool. So we must be coming to the first watery bit. It's feeling really warm as well, really humid, which bodes quite well for me going for a swim when we get there. So yeah, fingers crossed. Heading for Soldier's Leap. I mean, this area seems to be inundated with waterfalls and pools and gorges, so kind of spoilt for choice. But yeah, this is where we're going to go and check out at the moment. I feel like I've gone the wrong way already. This now seems like a really small path, and it was very well signposted until it wasn't. But maybe this is it. I guess we'll find out. Well, we just had a little quick downpour. This doesn't feel right, so I'm going back to the last sign that I saw, because I think this is just taking us away from where we want to go. We need to get down the hill to the water. That would be quite a ride. I mean, it would definitely take you away. Well, it's kind of sunning and raining, which is kind of cool. I like that. But we're gonna have to go back and take like a little path up there, because the actual Soldier's Leap is definitely like round that bend in the rocks, I think. Let's see what's down here. That doesn't look that great. It's been raining and it's really slippery, and I don't feel too good about going down there. Okay, this looks a bit more doable. I want to get down there, but not so much that I'm willing to fall down the rocks. Not that desperate, because there's another swim opportunity just up the road. Beautiful. Obviously I won't be swimming in there, but it's so lovely. I'm glad I came down. I'll see if I can get around the rock to the other side. You never know. It's so amazing. I wish you could get right in the gorge, but yeah, I mean, obviously I'm not gonna get in here. That first place I saw was probably the best place for swimming, but yeah, I'm not going to go back down there. We're going to head on up the road and hopefully find some more waterfalls and some more swimming. If I can make it up here, that is. I wouldn't want my shriveled corpse being discovered in a few months' time. That would be so sad. It's a pain that it rained, because everything is super slippery now, but the smell is incredible in all these leaves and everything. Wow. It's just pure ozone. always climbing up a hill. Still, it's bound to be good for me. I'm horrifically sweaty again. Oh my gosh, I didn't realise it was going to be so warm. I think I'm going to have to get changed. But let's go onwards. So I was recommended to come here by one of my Scottish friends. There's this walk out the back to the waterfalls. But also, we are at the House of Bruar, where you're only really looking at the car park. Apparently it's a bit of a shopping institution. It's insane. It's like, I don't know, there's just tons and tons and tons of shops. If you did tell me I'd be able to get a vegetarian sausage roll, so fingers crossed, but we're going to try and find this path first up to the waterfall, and then maybe we will see what's inside, see if I can get myself some Scottish merch. Well, it's all immaculate. They're blowing the concrete. Look at this lovely tidy grass. And look at this absolutely huge car park. I mean, this is totally nuts. I wasn't expecting to find this. Sweet. I want to swim down there. Oh my God, it looks really good. That'd be nice for a swim. Wouldn't it be fun to get put in a rubber ring and shoot the falls? This is so beautiful. The ravine is incredible. I've never seen anything like it. It honestly feels like I'm in the tropics. It's so humid. There's even wild raspberries. Tiny. Yummy. Oh my gosh. I'm hungry. I haven't had anything yet. Let's get some more. here. Fun strictly forbidden. Thanks, guys. I don't see what would be dangerous about swimming in that pool. That is totally safe. Obviously, I wouldn't go down there. I guess I should just disobey the signs and jump in, but you know how horribly law-abiding I am, so I'm feeling a bit awkward about it. I was up pretty early today, so I had the first place to myself, and this place nearly to myself, but there's loads of people walking here now. And obviously it is a very accessible walk, and it's beautiful, so I totally get it, and it's obviously a really nice stop for people to make. But yeah, it's probably time for us to exit and go and look at something else. Not forgetting a quick stop in the house of Bruar to see if we can maybe get a snack. Look at it all. Well, I suppose I'd better get in. Now, if I'm totally honest, perusing hauls full of tartan clothing, jars of jam, and various gift items isn't really my thing. It is my sister's thing. Oh, yes, my sister and my mother love nothing more than a really thorough potter. But we're gonna go and have a quick look, because as I said, it's an institution and we need to visit it. Doesn't sound like my thing. Goes on and on. Oh my gosh. Very nice. That sausage roll is not very nice, unfortunately, but such is life. I've eaten it because I was really hungry. And much though I love this place for being so completely nuts, I don't feel the need to walk around it really anymore. So, time for us to go. But it was well worth it to take that beautiful walk by the waterfall. I think it was about an hour. Yeah, you saw it. Stunning. Thanks for coming with me. Well, this feels like a creepy place to leave my poor car, but I'm sure it'll be fine. It does say it's parking. I have found a little path over here, which hopefully is the one. Oh my gosh. Okay, these people are doing something in the water. picking my way down to this flat bit here so we can check that out. Wow, it's lovely. And there's other people jumping off in there and climbing back out, so I guess you can swim in there. But honestly, if I was with somebody else maybe, but I don't really feel comfortable doing it by myself. So just going to enjoy the views. And it's raining again, which I think might be my sign that it's time to leave. That looks quite deep, but I wouldn't want to get gone over there. I think this would actually be a really good place to swim. You can go off that ledge there. And that's basically where those people jump from up there, so it should be fine. But these rocks are so slippery at the moment. And yeah, I don't know, it just feels like not quite right. Sorry. I'm wimping out and I'm gonna head back up to the car instead of plunging into that water. Don't hold it against me. I'll have to find somewhere else to swim. But it's so beautiful around here. Wow, there's so much to explore. I can't get enough of all these waterfalls and rivers. It's just outstanding. Oh, it's times like this I so wish I had my sister with me, because if I was with somebody else, probably we're going to go down there and go swimming. But I don't know, when I'm by myself, I try not to be too sensible, but I just think, you know, if you don't feel totally comfortable with something, it probably isn't a very good idea to do it. Yeah, I'm missing my sister. Emily, I wish you were here. I wish you were here. So many beautiful places, so much water. It's perfect.